Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. We're at Interrupt 2011. On our program is Matt Bolton. He is the DVP Product Management Network Management Division of Quest Software. Matt, how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for having us today.
You're welcome. You win the longest title award.
No kidding, man. You're going to raise half of it.
So I wanted to talk with you about some, well, first, why don't we start by giving you a little bit of time to talk about your company.
Yeah, so Quest Software is a publicly traded software company focusing on application performance management, database, Windows, virtualization and cloud, and then obviously network management as well. Today we're talking about our Packet Trap IT product, which is through Script Logic, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Quest Software.
Now, you also have some news that you're in the Interrupt NOC, right?
Yeah, so over the past few months, we've been working with the entire staff here at Interrupt, getting the network up and running, and our Packet Trap IT product is actually doing the monitoring for the entire off-show floor network, making sure that it's running well. If anything happens, we fire an alert off, and making sure that the troubleshooting team can react to the problem very quickly. In addition to, we have the help desk. So we have a help desk product that's running the help desk for Interrupt. So either the participants, so if you lost your internet here, you would submit a help desk ticket. It would go through our system, our Script Logic help desk authority product, and generate a ticket for that.
Now you also have a new pricing structure, right, of one of your products?
So today we, Script Logic officially announced a free version of Packet Trap IT, Packet Trap IT Community Edition. So it's a 100% full monitoring platform for networks that customers can use free to charge. It's 100% community based, so there's a great interactions from all the other users of the product, helping them troubleshoot network performance problems.
And how does that eventually generate revenue for your company?
Well, we believe that if people find value in products, they ultimately will purchase commercial products. So with that, you get, obviously professional support, 24/7 service, and additional integration functionality like into the help desk product where they're seamlessly interacting. So if an alert happens on the network or with a device, it will automatically generate a ticket in the help desk authority product.
And what sorts of trends are you seeing in the market?
So a few things that we're seeing. Number one is virtualization, especially when we're talking about the SMB market, where virtualization is now being leveraged for production applications. We're seeing a movement to the cloud. They're still testing it, but it definitely will be rolled out. We're also seeing unified communications a lot of video, voice, high media rich applications that they're actually causing a lot of network performance. And so those kind of three areas is where we believe we play very well of bringing that kind of overall knowledge to the SMB IT department, because they're kind of the jack of all trades, right? They have to deal with all those different things.
Oh, yeah.
And so we have a monitoring and management solution that brings all that together within a central console.
Now, has the economy affected business?
Not at all. Actually, we think it's actually increased because the people understand that the IT infrastructure or the network infrastructure is kind of the engine of a business. If that goes down, we can't operate. If your guys' network goes down to your office, you guys are out of luck,
We're
right?
toast, yeah.
You're toast, and you're going to be impacting your top line.
Sure.
So we believe that IT management software, I don't want to call it recession-proof, but there's definitely people spending because they understand the value that it is for their business.
Now, assuming that you're familiar with the international aspect of things, are there any parts of the world that happen to be doing surprising things in terms of growth?
Yeah, so I would say two areas that we've seen, South America, a little bit in terms of Brazil and a few other emerging economies, and also Asia Pac. At least for my products and what I'm in the network management space, we're seeing aggressive growth in those two regions.
And how's the competitive situation right now?
Competitive situation is always there, but I think that we bring a unique advantage, and our customers believe we bring a unique advantage of the problem with all monitoring solutions is that they tend to just regurgitate data coming off of devices and things like that, but they don't take it and tell a story to you as a network administrator to actually help you do your job better. They don't take the data, correlate it, analyze it, and say, here's your problem. They just say, your CPU's running hot, you better go find out what it is. And I think that's the unique advantage. We take a different approach to it. Kind of like what we're doing with the free version, Packet Trap IT Community Edition, in that we're bringing the content to the user directly within the product. It's not just blog postings and forum postings of how to use the product better, it's actually how to do your job better. And we're correlating and sucking that data off and bringing it directly within the product itself. So we believe that that actually is going to help you as a network administrator do your job better and actually find more value.
What's next for the company?
That's a good question. I mean, obviously we have a pretty aggressive roadmap that we would like to tackle over the next year. And get into, make sure that we are rolling out our solutions and features as the customers are rolling out new stuff on their networks. We don't want them to be behind. So what happens with virtualization or VoIP implementations, the phones get there faster than the performance software. So then you implement VoIP systems, and then you have jitter latency, right? You're on a call and, can you hear me now? And we want to make sure our software is with those being sold so the user gets the most bang for their buck out of their implementation.
Fantastic. Well, thanks for being on the program.
Yeah, thanks. Good questions.